pledge to reduce, reuse and recycle. I pledge to put an end to bullying.
I pledge to use my words to speak in a kind way. I pledge to help others as I go throughout my day.
I pledge to take care of our earth with my healing heart and hands.
I pledge to respect people in each and every land.
I pledge to join together as we unite the big and small.
I pledge to do my part to create peace for one and all.